One word. Two syllables.
Eggnog. Second syllable.
Second syllable.
Round.
Stir.
Round.
Mix.
Round.
Family. Sister,
idea.
brother. Father, mother.
Family.
Coming together.
Family.
Oh, come, all ye faithful.
I have no idea what you're getting at, man. Try a different way. Try a different way, man. We're not getting it. We're not getting it.
Sounds like pus. Sounds like pus.
Christmas.
Mus. Okay, which part is that one?
That was the first syllable?
Sounds like pus. How many words are in this one?
Just one.
One word. Sounds like pus.
Sounds like pus something.
Two syllables.
First syllable. Sounds like mom. Mom.
Michelle.
Mom. I don't get it, man. We're not getting it. If you just do this and we're not getting it, it doesn't help at all. Egg beater.
Round. Round yon virgin.
I don't get it, man. Sigh. Exasperation. Charades! That must be it.
Sounds like pus. And that's the first syllable?
Yeah.
A, bus, cuss, dus, fuss.
I have no idea. If you can't think of anything, just do it the easy way. Me. Sister.
You.
You.
Her. She.
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 Pushy. Pushy.
Lauren.
She.
Girl.
He.
She. He.
He. She. He.
They.
We. They. Y'all. Go back.
Did we say it? Was
She.
She. Sounds like
Sounds like
she.
Sounds like pushy.
Pushy.
No, puss, but the second syllable. Oh, she push.
Sheepus. Sheepus. Sheepus.
Sheep?
Sounds like sheepus.
I have no idea.
Can you do like the whole thing?
Yeah, whole thing
Sheepus?
sounds like
Sheepus. 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 Sheepus.
Santa!
Not anywhere near Santa.
Saint Nicholas? How many words is it?
It's two words. No, it's one word. Okay, you're going to have to give us a hint. You have to cheat. Does it start with S?
Sheepus. No, don't show us. I don't want to
Sheepus was Jesus.
Sheepus.
That sucked. I'm sorry, but that was...
Sheepus Christ.
Sheepus Christ.
It's totally